Guys, it's planting day. So as you can see, I've already got some stuff going. So I've got my beans that I put direct sowed seeds into. I got a couple zucchini from a buddy of ours. I'll tag him in the comments. I've got onions. I'm gonna try carrots and beets. And then we've got cucumbers in the front. I have sown in some seeds like dill and nasturtiums and other flowers that are supposed to be beneficial. I've got my marigolds. This year I'm trying a different variety of tomatoes. These are celebrity tomatoes, which are a determinate variety. I haven't done these before. I usually do the indeterminate, but they were overrun last year, so I had a really hard time maintaining them. Even though they kept producing, it was just a lot to deal with. So I'm gonna try these. I did read that you're not supposed to snip the suckers on these determinate varieties because they all fruit at one time. So you want the highest yield that you can get. So you just kind of let them go. They bush out, fruit, and then you harvest. I've also got 4 different cherry tomato varieties on the other end. I have a chocolate cherry, which is a new one for me, or black cherry. I got 3 different types of grape tomatoes that we received from a lady in town that grows seeds. So we try to support small business and local as much as possible. So I pinched off the lower leaves of all of these so that I could get them as deeply planted as possible so they have nice strong roots. I did do an extra layer on these beds because we did the single boards last year, but I really felt like more depth would help create a stronger base for my plants. And especially because we're trying to do carrots again. I have never had good luck with carrots, but we've got some carrot seeds and some beets and radishes and stuff that we're going to try to work in and incorporate. So follow along for more. Bye.